Today we are going to prepare stuffed potato skin. Ingredients required are boiled potatoes, parmesan, mozzarella cheese, onions, garlic, parsley, spring onion, chili flakes, salt, black pepper and white pepper. To make the stuffed potato skin, take the boiled potatoes, cut the top end, the bottom end, cut into half and then scoop this out using a small knife. And we'll use this potatoes as a stuffing with addition of different other ingredients. Now these are ready to stuff back again with the same potato which we have taken it out. Now to make the stuffing of the same potato which we have taken out from the potatoes, and now here take some oil, chopped onions, chopped garlic, just wet them. Add all your scooped potatoes inside. Season with some salt, some white pepper powder, chili flakes to spice it up, and some green spring onions. Just mix this mixture very well. Now your mixture is ready to stuff back into the potatoes. Now before you start filling the potatoes, you must season the potatoes inside with some salt, some crushed black pepper, and also a touch of butter to be given inside. Now just spread this whole thing inside properly before you stuff your stuffing in. So take a small amount of stuffing, put it over on each potato which we have taken out. Top it up with the parmesan grated. Some chopped parsley and lots of mozzarella cheese on top of it. Now bake these potatoes at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes in the oven. Now let's check the potatoes. Yes, it is ready. Now stuffed potato skins are ready to serve.